In today's video, we're going to be talking about passive streams of income. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ronnie Ocampo. On this channel, we talk all things wildland firefighting. So if you're interested in that, I highly suggest you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. Like I said, we're talking about passive streams of income. So I don't know if you have seen this massive thing going on about it. I am in the rabbit hole of TikTok for sure. And it's just like, if you don't have multiple streams of income coming in, who are you? What are you even doing with your life? So I figured, hey, we're at the end of fire season and people are getting laid off. They are going either back to school, they're getting a new job, or they're just going to take a little vacay. So please leave down in the comments of what you're going to be doing. But I want to give you some seeds to plant so that maybe by next summer, we can have money trees growing up. I'm going to give you about 4 or 5 different passive streams of income, and I want you to at least try one. Get one going now, and hopefully by summertime you can have a couple extra $100, maybe even $1,000 coming in to your bank account. So today we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing. And to sign up to be an affiliate is super, super simple. I'm sure you've heard of this before. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is where you say, hey, I really like this mug. I drink out of this every day. It's a good quality mug. It's wonderful. I love this. Hey, family or friend, I would love for you to get this mug. It's so great. You should totally try it out. And they're like, oh, of course. Well, instead of that being a free transaction, you can go to the company and say, hey, Black Rifle Coffee Company, I would love to be an affiliate with you. I'm not, but I would love to be an affiliate with you. And if I refer my friend or my family member, which I was already going to suggest that they buy this anyways, would you give me a little cut of money? And they're saying, yes, we would love to. We would love for you to promote our company. We'll give you a little kickback if they use your link to buy the product. So it's super simple, super easy. Highly recommend you only promote products that you actually use and enjoy. Because if you're going to promote something to people that is garbage and you've never tried it before and they get it and they're like, why would they recommend this? That's going to look really bad on you. So look around at things you already have in your house. I like Oakley sunglasses. So I have an affiliate link with Oakley. Oh, I have a drawer full of Darn Tough socks. I use them every single day. I'm active duty military, so I wear them every single day. I also use them when I go hiking with my husband. I also use them when I go out on fires. So I have a multiple purpose for these pairs of socks. So Darn Tough, that's an example. Or Mystery Ranch. I have a line pack right here that I have an affiliate link with Mystery Ranch. I'm going to show you how super simple and super easy it is to sign up to be an affiliate. And if they say no, oh, that's not a big deal, because I'm going to show you, you can literally apply for hundreds of companies if you wanted. So say we want to go to Mystery Ranch and you go all the way down to the very bottom, you click affiliate. Here's their terms, what they stand for. You get 5% commission rate if somebody uses your link, clicks on your link and purchases something. All right, cool. So some companies do it like this, where they go through a program, which is kind of cool because, so you can click on that and it'll take you to the program. I'm already a part of this program, so I'm going to pull up the portal. Here's my portal. I've had 4 clicks. This is just for today. I haven't had anyone purchase anything through those clicks though. What you want to do is go up here in this corner to merchants, click on that, and you're going to get a whole list of all of these merchants that you can go through. If you want to just go in here and say Mystery Ranch, you go right here and it will tell you the commission rates, all the information that you need, and you can just go ahead and click apply. Now I've already applied for them. I'm already an affiliate with them. So down here, it says terminate association. However, it'll just, for you, it'd say apply. You click apply and you wait for them to send you an email saying, yep, you're approved, or unfortunately at this time, we are not able to approve your application. Please try again another time. All right, cool. And that's AvantLink dashboard. Another great portal is CJ Affiliates. Here is the portal for this one, you just sign up for an account, apply, and they will accept it or deny it. Now up here, you're going to go to advertisers, and there are, let's see, 3,264 results. There are a ton of companies that go through this. So you come over here and say, I want to be a Nike affiliate because I love Nike shoes. You go to search. Here is Nike. I am an affiliate already. So right over here, if you aren't, it would say apply. So you click on that. It would take you to their terms and services. And then all you have to click is apply and you're good to go. When I was very first starting out, I just started an Excel spreadsheet and just listed all the companies that I applied for. This is what it looks like. I have my affiliate links, my portal where I can go to actually get into the portal, see how much I've made, how many clicks I have, all that jazz, what the commission rates were, and then the links that I share out to the public so that they can click on to purchase the product. So that's kind of what that looks like. If you're already using the portal, then it kind of keeps all that in track for you already. But some companies don't use the AvantLink portal or the CJ Affiliates portal. So you just kind of have to keep track yourself. So that is what I would do. I just want to set you guys up for success. I don't feel like Wildland firefighters get paid enough. I'm hoping that you are getting paid at least the minimum wage of $15 an hour, but I do want to help you at least start, and I want you to at least try one passive stream of income. This costs you absolutely nothing to do, which is why I think you should at least try it out. If you're already an affiliate, please let me know. Leave some links down in the comments for us. We would all love to click on them and support you. And I just think we can all start supporting each other, help bring a little extra cash into each other's pockets. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you're checking down the description. I will leave some links for you guys to check out, and make sure you're keeping an eye out for future videos on more examples of passive streams of income that I think maybe you should give it a go. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.